back to our channel. This is Navi from penhouse.in, the ultimate destination of pen enthusiast, collector or anyone who appreciates the art of fine writing instruments. And I am thrilled to have you here. Today we are going to review this Luoshi 5505 model transparent body fountain pen. And the special thing in this, it's an extra fine. So we are going to review this pen. We have 3 different colors in this, totally 4 colors, and more colors are available in penhouse.in. So in this video, we are going to see the overall length, weight and writing of the pen. So before going to our video, kindly subscribe to penhouse.in YouTube channel and click the bell icon so that upcoming videos will be notified to you. Let's move on to the video. Now we are going to review this Luoshi 5505 model transparent body fountain pen, and we have 3 different colors. This is pink color, violet, yellow and then sky blue. So all these are same brand, same model but different colors. Okay, so this overall body is made up of transparent. It's a demonstrator type. Here is a clip. You can see here it's not like a usual clip, and it's a user-friendly clip, so we can easily insert this into the pocket, and it's just amazing by look-wise. It looks pretty, and for school students, that's a best pen because this is extra fine. Whether you are now only started writing fountain pens, definitely I'll prefer this pen for the students. Okay, this will come with a finial. It's a flat finial in the top and then bottom, and the color combination, it's transparent body, silver color and then pink color. It's nice, amazing. And in the bottom, it's like a conical finial in the bottom of the pen. Now we'll see the construction of the pen and back to our video. Now we are going to calculate the overall length of this pen. Now we are going to take this blue color, it's sky blue color. We have more different colors in this. It's a flat finial, so we can easily calculate the length. It's 142.13 mm. I'll remove the cap and check the length. It's 129.32 mm. I'll check the grip section diameter. It's 9.39 mm. And there is no thread part here. So we'll calculate the overall weight and back to our video. Now we are going to do the writing sample of this Luoshi 5505 model fountain pen. We are going to check the weight. It's 23 gram. Now I'll remove the cap and check the weight. It's 16 gram and this cap carries 7 gram. Now we'll unscrew this and check the barrel weight. The barrel carries 5 gram and the converter including the grip section carries 10 gram. We'll unscrew this and check the weight of the grip section part. It's 10 gram and this converter carries 2 gram. Now we'll back to our video. Now we did the construction of the pen. This is a lightweight pen with an usual length. And now we'll look into the pen. It's a snap-on cap with triangular grip section. Wow, it's nice and amazing. To hold and write, it's perfect actually. And the best thing is, you can see here the color combination of this pen. It's silver, pink, demonstrator type and same silver. And this nib is an extra fine and there is no breather hole in the nib. And they have mentioned the brand name, brand logo in the nib. Okay, it's nice. It's a plain feed. Now we'll see the ink system type. Now we are unscrewing this. Here is a converter. This type of ink system is a versatile ink system, so we can easily refill out the ink. In the converters also, we have different types of converters like pull up and pull down converters on screwing type. This is spring type converter. You can easily refill the ink and you can out the ink. Yeah, it's like this. it's an amazing thing. And for this types of converters, you can also use other branded converters like Smith, Cross, all the branded sparse converters also available in penhouse.in. Now we'll do the writing sample and back to our video. Now we are going to do the writing sample of this Luoshi 5505 model fountain pen. So we are going to do the writing sample. We are going to use penhouse.in manufactured ink. We are going to use black color to dip the ink, rub in a cloth, and then we are going to use now. The best thing here is it's a extra fine nib. So we'll write now. First we are going to write penhouse.in. Nice, it's smooth. I could feel that that strokes here. This is black color. It's Luoshi 5505 model, and this is extra fine. I'll do the rubbing test. Yeah, you can see here, when comparing to other pens, it's very smooth, and I could feel that sharp edges, sharp strokes here, like the alphabets. And this grip section, we have a rectangular grip section here, and it's not slippery and amazing. Wow, it's amazing actually. Now I'll draw the horizontal line and vertical line. You can see here, it's very smooth, and I just love this pen. So we'll back to our video. Now we did the writing sample. It's very smooth, and it's just amazing. The holdings and the grip section part and the weight of the pen, the smoothness of writing, it's just fabulous. And I prefer this pen for students, and it's just amazing. I can't take off my hands from writing. It's very smooth. So who all can use this pen? Absolutely, school students, college students, office going adults, everybody can use this pen. Important thing is, school students regularly they can prefer this pen, and it's just amazing. And ink system also, it's a versatile ink system. It's a converter type. So while using different colors in this pen, it won't take more time to refill the ink. And we came to the end of the session. Whether Penhouse is only reviewing these types of videos and uploading? Not at all. We are retailers and manufacturers. We are retailing different branded pens like Lamy, Luoshi, Sliver, Cross, Parker, all the branded pens with their spars. All spars are available like converters, cartridges, nibs. According to your pen nibs, you can also exchange, you can customize. That service also we are doing, and online orders also available. So if you want to know all the categories of our products, link in the description. Kindly see to it and enjoy your products. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay tuned with us. And the main thing, you can also purchase through online. You can also visit our shop. It's in Tambaram, Velachery, and then Solinganallur. And minimum card discount is available for a bulk products. So stay tuned with us. Tada, bye bye. Thanks for watching.